The real hands-on video for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is here. Jimmy the Pro, who is the popular leakster which shows us the official real-life images of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now he has shared a video which shows us the live look of the device in hands-on and shows us the design and first look as well. Looking in the video, you will see the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Samsung appears to be keeping the Super AMOLED Infinity O display on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and not switching to an under-display selfie camera just yet. The bezels around the screen are quite thin, and also phone will have a curved edge screen, but the curvature isn't as dramatic as it used to be. The device has model number SM986U, which is running on the latest Android 10 in terms of software, and it is based on One UI 2.5 on top of that. While on the bottom of the device we see clearly the position of S Pen, and bottom speaker has been shifted from left to right side. Along with that, we also have a Type-C port and a noise cancellation mic as well present on the bottom of the device. The shape and even the size of S Pen is same as we have seen in old Galaxy Note device. But Galaxy Note 20 will have considerably improved the S Pen's pointer functionality, extensive S Pen pointer customization options that will be introduced with the new flagship. It seems the S Pen pointer will allow users to navigate around the interface, similar to how a computer mouse works, by pressing and holding the S Pen button. One will be able to customize the pointer's speed. There's also some customization for when the S Pen is used as a laser pointer for things such as viewing presentations in PowerPoint. You will be able to change the pointer's color and size and add a trail to the pointer, just like you can add a mouse trail on a Windows PC. While on top of the device you will notice it will coming with noise cancellation mic and SIM tray on top of that. While according to Leakster the back has camera bump which is even bigger than the Galaxy S20 Ultra, which mean we cannot place it on a fault surface. The volume rocker and power button are present of the right-hand side of the device. The phone's rear-facing camera setup appears to feature 4 sensors, and one of those is a periscope-style optical zoom unit. The fourth sensor on the right side could either be a 3D TOF sensor or a laser autofocus unit. It looks like a TOF sensor to us, but it's hard to be sure at this time. All leaks and rumors for the design are accurate up till now, and more leaks are expected to come in near future. Since we know Samsung Virtual Unpacked event is going to be held on August 5th. So guys, what do you think about the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 Ultra? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. And also do consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out.